Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports eSIM and that iOS is up to date. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, back up your device so you can restore settings if anything fails. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi and make sure battery is above 50% or keep the phone charging. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, and select Add Cellular Plan. You're ready to scan the new eSIM QR or enter details manually to start the update. You scan the carrier QR code or choose Enter Details manually and input the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This is how your iPhone downloads the carrier profile. After the profile installs, tap the new plan and assign a label like Work or Personal so you can identify it quickly. Then set which line handles voice, data, and iMessage. Make sure cellular data is enabled for the new plan and toggle data roaming if you'll use the eSIM abroad. Once the new eSIM appears active, restart your iPhone to finalize activation and verify the carrier name and signal strength in the status bar. If the plan doesn't activate, make sure the QR code hasn't expired and reattempt manual entry. If that still fails, contact your carrier for a fresh activation code. As a last resort, reset network settings, but back up first because this clears saved Wi-Fi networks. If you hit a persistent problem, the carrier can push activation from their portal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.